Yes, as we discussed last time, till the last paragraph, suffrage right during the election of assembly in the Frankfurt Parliament conveyed in the Church of St. Paul, women were admitted only as an observer to stand in a visitor's gallery. Till that extent, we had done. So this is the page of your textbook, and we are this is the page number 18. So we are moving ahead from here. Though the conservative forces were able to suppress the liberal movement in 1848, they could not restore the old order. Yes, they were not able to suppress the liberal, but they cannot bring the older one. Monarchs were beginning to realize that the cycle of revolution and the repression could only be ended by granting them some concession to the liberal nationalist revolutionaries. We cannot do as we like. We have to grant some of the power to them, because now the people has united and the unity has a strength. Hence, in the year 1848, the autocratic monarchy of the Central and Eastern Europe began to introduce the changes that had already taken place in the Western Europe before 1815. The serfdom. The serfdom means, we can say, the ownership and the bonded laborer were abolished both in Habsburg dominancy in Russia, and Habsburg ruler granted more autonomy to Hungarians in 1867. So we are moving to the page number 19. The new topic is number 4, the making of Germany and Italy. This is very important. The making of Germany and Italy. The Germany, can the army be architecture of any nation? That is a question. So our army means, in an indirect way, we can say that it is a violence. After 1848, nationalism in Europe moved away from its association with the democracy and revolution. Nationalist sentiments were often mobilized. Mobilized means transferred by conservatives for promoting state power and achieving political domination over Europe. It was not a good. This can be observed in a process by which Germany and Italy came to unified as a nation state. As you have seen, in nationalist feeling were widespread among the middle class Germans, who in 1848 tried to unite the different regions of the German Confederation into nation state governed by an elected parliament. This liberal initiative to nation building, so we are up over here, its nation building was however repressed by the combination forces of monarchy and military, supported by the large number of landowners, that's called Junkers of Prussia. From then, Prussia took a leadership of movement of national unification. Its chief minister Otto von Bismarck take the whole responsibility, was the architect of this process, carried out with the help of the Prussian army and bureaucracy. Bureaucracy means important people. Three wars were fought by the Prussia against this monarchy for the 7 years, with Austria, Denmark, and France, and ended in Prussian victory and completed the process of unification. In January 1871, the Prussian King William I proclaimed the German Empire as a ceremony held in Versailles. Now the Germany came into an existence. So now we are moving. So this is a pic that has been given, figure number 11. Over here, we are starting from over here. On the bitterly cold morning, 18 January 1871, an assembly comprising the Prince of German State, representative of army, important Prussian minister, including the chief minister Otto von Bismarck, gathered in the unheated hall Mirror in the place of Versailles to proclaim the new German Empire headed by the Kaiser William of Prussia. This is the picture which is given in your textbook, how the crown has been placed to Otto von Bismarck, means a German Empire by Kaiser William I of Prussia. The nation building process in Germany had demonstrated the dominancy of Prussian state power.